Top speed, can I get 44? I'm guessing 40. What are you doing? I have no idea what the Neo's doing right now. I'm watching it crash at a pole. All right, guys, this video is going to be a little different than usual because I'm going to attempt to shoot my entire video with my Neo 2. Now, that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of my video is to do a top speed tracking test on my mountain bike. Now, the top speed of the Neo 2 is 44 kilometers an hour. And seeing that I live in Incheon, South Korea, it is a little tricky to find some hills where I can reach that top speed. But I think I found a place just a few days ago where I can put this to the test. So if you want to come along with me to find that, it doesn't take too long to get there. You can go check it out. If you don't, you can jump ahead to this part of the video where I'm actually getting to the hill where I'm going downhill. Anyways, let's jump on my bike and let's go for a little cruise. I think I'm all mic'd up, so you should be able to hear me okay. The mic is taking out the sound of the drone. Guys, I've got to get over there. So, how did I get over there? Oh, here we go. Now, I would have liked to have gotten out a little bit earlier before I go to work this morning. But things didn't quite go that way. So I have my Neo 2 in the far setting. There's 3 different settings you can choose from. It's on mid, and I just missed the green crosswalk. So I'm staying put here. I think I'll cut up through here on the crosswalk. Yeah, this should be a cakewalk for my Neo 2. And I do have it in cycle mode. I often forget to put it in cycle mode just because I still treat it at times like my Neo 1 that does not have cycle mode. So I'm guessing it does a better job of tracking at higher speeds when you're on your bike. Anyway, gorgeous morning here today in Incheon, South Korea. I'm going up into that area, I think, like 11 o'clock. It is so noisy here, I can barely hear my drone. There we go. Traffic's dying down. And yeah, I did bring an extra battery just in case I need it. Oh, don't hit that old guy. Don't go up here, get out of his way. This is an extra long light. Oh, here we go. I was just gonna say maybe I'll cut this out of the video, but I got a green light. All right, yeah, I'm not too familiar with the area that I'm going to. So, I wanted to go earlier. Yeah, I can already see the kids going to school and stuff, so I may have to contend with some school kids. So the population is so dense over here in Korea that a lot of kids just walk to school. And we'll see. The hill that I found is like a pretty steep, long hill, and it's dirt. And I'm not even sure if I can get up to, yeah, I'm not sure where I'm going. I gotta get over there, I think. I'm not even sure if I can get up to 44 kilometers an hour, because that is pretty fast. I mean, just biking top speed on a flat surface on my bike, I get like 30 kilometers an hour. So I need an additional 14 kilometers an hour on my bike. This is what I want. So let's see. Yeah, Incheon, a lot of it is really flat, or South Korea rather. So this looks good. Maybe I'll pick the speed up some. And when I get to my top of the hill, I got to use the speedometer app that I recently downloaded to see how fast I'm going. Okay, I'm just biking along here. Okay, there's one walker. Yeah, it's really quite quiet, really shaded here. That shouldn't affect the Neo's tracking. If it was the Neo 1, it would have. Got some pads up there I could do some tracking tests on too. Okay. Okay, I think I'm getting close to where I gotta go off-road a bit. I think I was gonna get a workout this morning. Nope, I don't want this. I want to go up here. I don't know where I'm going. You guys know where I'm going? Let's go down here. That was a cat crossing in front of me. Okay, here we go. Got it. Okay, guys, let's see. Many people here? This is a hill I discovered when I was driving by on my way to work. Yeah, so you can see it for yourself. This is what I'm going down, so whew. Let's get a little workout in. Like I said, I'm gonna turn on my speedometer to see what speed I'm gonna get. And I'm guessing that on camera, the incline of this hill will not do justice on camera, like most things. But I'm gonna be picking up quite a bit of speed. And I'm gonna be biking into it, of course. Great, there's no one here that I can see. Okay, so let's stop here. An old man catches breath. I gotta get my speedometer changed, turned on. All right, guys, I haven't stopped recording. The Neo's just been hovering there. Let's do this. Hope that I don't break my neck, but here goes nothing. Still no one on track. Okay, let's go. Pick up speed, change gears. Here we go. Top speed, can I get 44? I'm guessing 40. Duck down. What do I got here? 44, hey, there's 44. Whoa, right on the button. Okay. Neo, you still with me? And I'm getting a battery message right at that time. Interesting. I hit 44 right on the button. Okay, Neo, you come on in. You wanna come in? Come on. What are you doing? I have no idea what the Neo's doing right now. All right, guys. My last minute plan for this video was to shoot the whole video with my Neo 2. So I didn't take my phone out for what was going on there, but we had some funny business coming on. Neo just didn't want to return to home. Got the low battery message, and it was like, can you see, like, it went over the fence or by the bushes? And I was like, oh great, I'm gonna have another oh crap moment like every other video of mine. Every time I fly, I have some situation. But with those situations, I find out something new about my Neo, so it's all good. Now, I came in through here. Yeah, so about this top speed, I hit 44 there for a while. And yeah, I know just from watching other videos on YouTube that the Neo 2 can hit spurts of is it like 50 or 55 kilometers an hour, but they can't maintain it. They can still track you at spurts like that. So yeah, anyways, I swapped out a battery, got a fresh battery in there now. Got some downhill here and more downhill coming up. Quite sure I can't hit 44, but no one's coming, so let's put them pedal to the metal. Oh, this is where I want to go down here, I think. Okay, let's not hit this lady. Yeah, that's not 44. Don't have my speedometer on either. Ooh. Anyway, there's some soccer fields and tennis courts here. Woo. The tracking of the Neo 2 is just so impressive, guys. It's just like, I try and lose it sometimes. It's just like, yeah, that's not happening. Watch it crash in a pole. Can't make this stuff up. No sooner were the words out of my mouth, the Neo came, didn't hit the padding, just dong. Oh, I wish I had that on camera. I guess I did, but I mean, from my point of view, my POV. Anyway, another interesting thing that while I was trying to relaunch my drone, the red LED light was stuck on and said unable to launch drone, connect to app to see why. Kept saying that. I'm like, huh, never had this before. But all I had to do was just turn the Neo off and turn it back on and it was good to go. So there's something I never knew before. Anyway, yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. Maybe I'll use the rest of this battery and no, I don't think so. I think this video is getting too long as it is. Anyway, like I said, over and over again, I really enjoy making these videos, guys. So if you're still with me for this mayhem, you know, consider subbing to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I just recently got over 700. So that is how you say thanks on YouTube. Giving the content creator a thumbs up and a sub. So have a good one. Come on.
Returning to palm.
Of course you will.